Hi friends, Alicia here, and I am back with another travel videography gear review of sorts. I'm about to unbox what sounds like it's going to be an amazing piece of equipment that's going to help us all level up our travel videography, specifically our underwater travel videography, and it's going to help us level up our fun in the water as well. This is the White Shark Mix Underwater Scooter by Sublue. I am so excited to have Sublue sponsoring this video, not only so I can try out this awesome piece of gear, but also share it with you. So let's see what's in the box and let's try it out together. We have the user manual. There's basically a lot of safety information in here, but for the most part, this thing is very easy to use right out of the box. There's nothing to learn, and it's also very safe. Okay, we have the battery pack, the battery. Unboxings are awkward. We've got a custom safety leash because you don't want to lose a piece of equipment like this. And actually, when I first saw this thing, I was afraid of what happens if you drop it in the ocean. Is it going to sink? But apparently it does not sink. It floats or it stays buoyant somehow. We'll find out. And this is the body of the aircraft. It literally looks like a miniature futuristic plane that is meant to fly underwater, and that's exactly what it's going to do. So you hold it like this, you've got your little trigger buttons right here. And this particular model is Arctic White, which I personally love. They do have space gray, they've got a yellow, and then they've got a really pretty blue. That's actually the color of my shirt. That one's really nice too, but white is my jam, so I think this thing looks pretty good on me so far. And there's the logo. Now the best part about this by far as it pertains to underwater videography is the GoPro mount right on the front of the machine. So if you've ever tried to film underwater with a GoPro, you will know that you can't swim through the water and hold the camera at the same time. You're either going to do that one-handed swim and try to film while you're moving, or you're going to just kind of hold the GoPro and not move very much. So this solves the problem where you've got the GoPro mounted and you're just gliding through the water. It also comes with a handy carrying case. And as far as traveling with this, it seems a bit bulky, but I think if you have a very specific trip where you're going to beaches or islands and you're going to be swimming pretty much the whole time, you're just bringing like 5 bikinis, a few cover-ups, a few GoPros, then throwing this in the bag just might be worth it. And you can take this top part off. This is called the floater. It just helps it float a little bit more. But apparently if you're a strong swimmer and you're not worried about that, then this part can be removed and it's a lot smaller. It is fully FAA compliant, so you can carry it on a plane. You could probably fit it into a travel gear bag or just a backpack, and you're good to go. Now, I'm going to test this first in my backyard pool, which is where I feel the safest. But after that, I'm going to take it out to the Gulf, which is our version of the ocean here in Pensacola, and see what it does in open water. This will be the first time I've used anything like this in either of these bodies of water, so I'm super excited.